Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get gold seed in Grow a Garden 2. So to get this gold seed, you need to wait for the Midas weather event because during this event the sky turns dark and the environment starts glowing with a golden effect like this. And while the event is active, multiple gold seeds will spawn and fall onto the ground, and you can pick them up. And there is also a chance for a player to become Midas. If that happens, you can steal plants from other players, and the stolen plants will turn golden, and the Midas player can earn extra cycles by bringing them back to their garden. And then in here, let me show you the gold seeds I managed to get and plant this one, and this gold seed can turn into different types of crops, including rare seeds like the vines or even prismatic plants. It's just random. It's completely random. And so in here I want to try to plant these seeds like this. Oh, in here I got the carrot, cold carrot like this. You can see it. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get cold seed in Grow a Garden. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.